Hello, friends. Hope you will be fine. Today, my topic is restoring the PC option on the desktop. So, first of all, I want to delete this PC icon to so PC option is deleted. Now, I'm going to restore this PC. So, first of all, right click on the desktop and then click on the personalize. Now here you have to select the themes, and themes you have to scroll down and click on the desktop icon. Now simply click on the computer option and apply. Okay, so now check it. So this PC has been restored. Thanks for watching.